There's one more breathing technique, I would say. The box breathing technique is the most effective. And this is also very good. Here you can inhale for 4 seconds. One, two, three, four. Hold for seven. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Now exhale. You don't have to hold, but continue to exhale. Keep exhaling. Remove all the toxins. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So the longer exhale is critical for parasympathetic activation, like I mentioned. The more you breathe out, it activates your parasympathetic response. So even if you're not holding at the bottom, slow exhaling, where you're breathing out continuously, you're removing all the toxins from your body, again helps in bringing more clarity. So while you do this, there is no brain fog, there is no mental